Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to the Excellencies, distinguished guests, my respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Syed, and I am going to conduct this beautiful morning assembly with my talented team members. Today, the date is 23rd March, and the day is Monday. Nothing can be started without the remembrance of Almighty who created this world with soil and who created the whole universe. So I will like to call Mr. Amjad to revise few verses of Al Quran. Kalmas are the basic pillars of Islam. Let us all revise them too, and for the revision of third kalma I would like to call Mr. Muhammad Hassan. Dua is the only thing with which we are linked with the only one Almighty Allah. So let us communicate to Him. For dua, I would like to call Muhammad Hassan. English is an international language. The language with which helps us in many fields. Without learning English, we are nothing. So far, the English speech I would like to invite Muhammad Amjad. Every day must start with the remembrance and end with great thoughts. So, the thoughts of today is speak the way that everyone likes to listen to you. Listen the way that everyone likes to speak to you. Every country has a slogan. The slogan is a respect quote for the countries, and slogan shows love and devotion for a country. So I would like to call Ahmed to raise the slogan. Our motherland needs our attention. So tell our motherland we will always stand by her. Stand straight in the honor of national anthem. We need attention, crave affection, and dream of perfection. Thank you for listening us. So please move back to your respective classes. For all type of comparing speeches and motivation, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for latest update.